Hi, summer is almost over. I like to share the last tip before everything fade away um, to keep the beauty of the season alive, and that is saving seed. Um, from my this year, my favorite vegetable and flower. Welcome back, everyone. By saving seed, I can grow them again next year. And I feel like I'm carrying a piece of this summer into the future. For me, saving seed is not about the garden. It's just the way to hold on into the season. Ferment it in the water overnight. Rinse for a few times with the strainer. And keep the bottom seeds. Let the seed completely dry before storing. Cucumber. Pick the biggest and the yellow color. Cut it open and scoop out the seeds. Lay out to dry or soak overnight, same method as tomato seeds. Long bean. Keep bean dry on the vine. Open beans pod or keep in pot till ready to plant. For the bush bean, you can do the same. Pepper. Pick the colorful one. Keep the core dry for a few days before storing. Lettuce. Let it bolt until the flower turns white and puffy. Cut the top off and store it in the bag. Carrot. Let it bolt. When the flower head dry, cut the top off and store it upside down inside the paper bag. Zinnia. Cut when the flower head dry out and no petal, and store it in the bag. I like paper bag method to hang them dry, to write label on the bag and store it. I cannot wait until next summer. Seed saving is one of the simplest way to keep the magic of the garden alive. I hope this video inspiring you for saving seed from your garden, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Bye bye.